What is Tandem?
Tandem is a language exchange app that connects you with real people around the world. You can chat via text, voice, or video to practice your target language while helping others with yours. The app's focus on genuine conversation makes it a practical way to improve your language skills for free.
Getting started with Tandem.
To begin, download Tandem from your App Store and create a free account. Choose the language you want to learn and the languages you can offer in exchange. Tandem will then suggest potential partners who match your interests and learning goals, making it easy to start conversations that matter to you.
Finding your language partner.
Use Tandem's search and filter features to connect with partners who share your interests or are native speakers of your target language. You can send introductory messages to break the ice. Most users are eager to help each other, making it a friendly space to practice conversational skills for free.
Getting real-time feedback.
When chatting on Tandem, you can receive instant corrections and suggestions from your conversation partner. The app provides built-in tools to highlight mistakes and make corrections, both in text and during voice or video calls. This immediate feedback is a key advantage, helping you improve quickly while learning from real people.
Maximizing your free experience.
Tandem offers a variety of features for free users, including unlimited text and voice messages, language correction tools, and profile customization. Engage regularly, be proactive in finding new partners, and give helpful feedback in return. By staying active and open to new conversations, you can get consistent, valuable language practice without spending a penny.